Okay. How many of us know the old saying, no such thing as a simple job? Well, my task, I decided to install a seat to make it easier on my back. So I drilled a hole in here, found out the damn thing's full of styrofoam. See, this goes down on here like this. I screw that down, I bolt it down, and the seat post goes in here, and I got a nice little seat that goes on there, so I can steer this boat with save my back. So I saw that, figured, oh man. So this is where I am now. Took out a back place of the thing here, and I'm digging in and getting up to the roof there so I can get to my nuts and bolts. Damn, there's termites. Look at the termites. That ain't cool. That ain't good. I'll walk around the house and see where the hell they are, maybe. Anywho, so that's my task. That's what I'm doing. So I'll show you another little video when the thing is done. So, like I said, no such thing as a simple job.